Our fifth category, components and assemblies, is another example of an MMC process which is well embedded in the Irish construction sector. It covers pre-manufactured, non-structural components for buildings whereby assembly work is carried out in a factory setting prior to delivery on site. This category is extensive and includes both 2D and 3D assemblies such as bathroom pods, facades, wall and roof systems, and M&E assemblies. It is employed mostly within repeatable areas of a build: kitchens, bathrooms, utility cupboards, etc., where space is at a premium and variation is kept as low as possible. Category 5 components are non-structural and non-load bearing and marry well along MMC categories 1 and 2, or in traditional construction projects. Bathroom pods, for example, are effectively mini volumetric units. While the scope of this category is broad, conventional building products such as window or door sets, which might otherwise be included in other pre-manufacturing categories, are not generally regarded as components in this category. The diversity of solutions covered by this category is reflected in its widespread and growing application across commercial, civil, and residential projects.